This is how I make my keto coffee in the morning. I just brew some coffee in my coffee machine. I use about 1 teaspoon of grass-fed butter, unsalted, and about 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, unrefined virgin coconut oil. Then I just pour my coffee into my blender. And blend it up. Oh, I can already feel and smell and taste the coffee. I love my morning keto coffee. It just makes me awake and keeps me full so much longer. And I like to froth it up and, blend it up really well, so it's nice and frothy. And oh, look at that steam. Oh my goodness, and all that's good smell. Oh, yum. So that's it. You just blend it up and it's ready to drink. Happy coffee drinking!